You idiot! Is that all? Get off me! Hello, YouTube world. Come on, you freaking idiot. Okay, so as I have put out another poll on Instagram, follow us, get in the camera so they can see you. Okay, this is my sister. She's my little sister.
I'm 18.
How old are you? I'm 20.
I'm not little.
Oh. But yeah, so we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Whoa, I didn't mean to say that. This is not a tutorial.
What the fool we doing?
We don't know what the fool we doing. Alright, so we have this, we're gonna watch this tutorial. Is by some person, I don't know her username because it's expanded right now. I'm gonna put her account link in the description. So make sure you go to that so you guys can get her tutorial. This is not a tutorial. This is just a little thing. We never did makeup before, so we just gonna do it. Alright, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. I'm scared. I do not own the rights to that Hannah Montana song, so YouTube don't find me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tony Alawi. And if it's your first time,
Tony Alawi. Okay, I will put her
welcome.
together. She is starting with her eyebrows by first drawing a line under them. Jesus, help me. Alright, so, oh yeah, I have this eyebrow pencil. I got all of this stuff from BH Cosmetics. It's brand new. Like, I was just like, I'm going out, bro. It was a very good price.
Where you get it from?
I ordered it from BH Cosmetics.
You said that?
Yes. But, anyways, here's the eyebrow pencil.
Okay, I'm about to start.
Yeah, I've never done this before. Actually, do it on the video.
I can't
Right,
see.
so she said she's gonna start by doing the shape.
I'm allowed.
I'm in the jank up, bro. Okay, y'all will see.
Don't draw it on there.
I'll
Just
be looking
lightly
like a
put it
little
on there.
clown.
Why does mine do that? Because you don't got a good thing. Yes, it is a good thing. The idiot that you are. Okay, idiot. Your mom. I'm telling you. What am I doing? Oh, shoot.
Hey, this one looks good.
It's not supposed to look good when you're doing this.
But I'm talking about the box shape.
Mine don't. That's why I'm ready to put this doggone concealer on. Now, if you can just go ahead and proceed.
You don't need to see a finished product. Idiotic. We are first time. Look at my eyebrows. Oh, this looks so stupid. Get in the camera. My eyebrows are ugly anyway. I look like SpongeBob.
What?
Do we even have eyebrows?
You know what? I don't even know.
Okay, are you done?
I guess.
Okay. Take Pro Concealer. Is she using the light one or the dark? I have two Pro Concealers, light and dark. I think it's the light one. It looks like the light one.
Is she using this kind of brush?
So I got this Pro Concealer from BH Cosmetics. Do you need this?
Yes. I don't have no concealer.
Okay, so this is what she do.
No, put it on the brush.
Wait, that's not what she did.
Don't follow me.
Wait, is she using this brush?
No.
What is this for?
I don't know. I just got these from Forever 21. Y'all wondering. I know y'all not wondering, but I got this from Forever 21. Self-explanatory.
No, it's not. Free. For you, maybe.
I never did this before.
Okay,
So how did she apply it?
I don't know, but I'm about to do it just like what I want to. It got this thing, so I assume
Okay,
you
just
put
put
it
it
on
up
like
top.
the.
I would just put on my finger and put it. I'm gonna do that because I don't trust myself.
Jesus. Ashley, get in the camera. Oh, hey.
Oh my god, it's not fair. Why you look like that?
Cause I'm the goat.
Okay. Oh, you put it on the bottom too, I forgot.
Oh, I got it on my eyebrow.
Makeup artists don't come for us. Cause we don't know.
We just doing this to do. We don't know what the fool we doing. Do both. Oh.
You idiots.
Alright. And then what did she say?
Wait!
You can do it when you finish.
So the next step will be for me to take this brush and just blend in all this concealer into my skin. You know,
Pause this.
Yeah, pause it. Why did you keep it going? Everybody say, Jesus, keep it going. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. We look stupid.
Oh, hold on.
Here. This is actually your brush.
For me. So I'm using.
I was just going to let you do it after me, but you wanted to be a fancy pot. Okay, I got these new brushes from my boyfriend.
Ew.
They're like brand new.
But this is not our skin complexion.
It's not supposed to be.
Okay.
It looked like it's foam.
Brighter people. This looks a hot mess. Brittany, stop.
I'm trying to go back to this.
Okay, she
And
making
then
it. You put too much.
And just blending all this
Oh,
concealer.
she blending it. I'm not letting on like yours. This is our complexion.
Look
brush.
at. No, it's. You idiot! Is that all? Get off me!
I literally can't breathe right now.
You made me look an idiot on you freaking YouTube. Are we supposed to be using that one, Brittany?
What one?
The one beside you.
Yeah, bro. Or maybe it's just drying out on our skin.
No, this is too light. I told you. Is this the one we're supposed to be using? Look at it.
It looks darker. We're gonna try this again.
Make sure it's the right one first.
It is. I don't think this is the good one to use though.
Can we mix it then?
We probably should. And then put this like
See if it look right there.
into. Well, it look dark.
Oh my gosh, bro. That does look dark. I'm gonna mix mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it and put it on top.
How do people do makeup? Like, it's so annoying that they know how to do it.
Perfectly, like on the daily.
Brittany, I was talking about mixing it on the sink with your finger.
Wow, when you can just put it on top and blend it together.
Nah, I'll just do it on the sink.
Okay, good luck.
Thanks.
It looked better than the last time.
It kinda does. I thought it was clown.
We look like Boo Boo the Fool. That's who Nemo was gonna call.
Who's moving forward?
You.
I never did my eyebrows before, you idiot. Okay, you wasting time.
Oh, well, I'm just trying to hold my own stuff. The brush.
Here, this
You
is
give me.
mine. No, I didn't give you that. That's mine.
I mean, the one that you gave me to use.
I didn't give it to you. You took it without my consent. Oh, you like brownies.
I'm horrible at this. I look like I have a little stick for a brow.
Hey, it's looking good.
I'm doing so horrible. I can't do makeup, y'all. Just why?
I'm getting fed up.
Look what I did to my eyebrow. I'm gonna have to draw it again. How the freak do you do this? I mean, blending good, better than that. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, blend it, please, so I can see how it's supposed to look. I look like a Halloween.
What I tell you, I'm weak.
We should have done it with a freaking brush.
What do you mean a brush?
Applied it with the brush.
Watch me go. Well, maybe we didn't blend it enough.
Maybe yours will come out good.
I put on the same amount that you did. I'm thinking on my eyebrow hair.
Like I did.
Don't order no makeup off online. Go to the store and try it on your skin.
I look stupid.
It's light as it was last time.
Mine is darker than yours. You put too much. Maybe this is how it's supposed to look.
It's how hers look.
Yeah. Except I don't know how to do it good. I look like a raccoon.
I'm weak.
Do I look like a raccoon, y'all? My eyebrow done messed up, bro. That joint is messed up. I put it on my eyebrow. Don't follow this. This is not a tutorial. Okay, I'm moving on without you.
Wait, please.
You're taking too long.
I'm gonna rub it on my finger.
I mean, it probably won't look bad in the end when you do the whole foundation stuff.
Watch it. She did it.
She kind of did. She put it like connecting. Your eyebrows already look good. Mine already.
No, they
look-
don't. I haven't got my wax in years.
I got mine one.
Look, it's all the way going up here.
Why did you do that?
I'm gonna wipe it off.
That's what you're supposed to do. It probably will be. Actually, you don't have to do that. You're gonna put on foundation. Come on.
What am I doing?
Okay, I'm going without you.
Okay, whatever.
You just catch up when you can. What?
Look at this.
Just get it.
My cheeks, like
Just put it, blend it, Ashley. I look stupid too.
I didn't say I look stupid.
Okay, so foundation, we're gonna use this.
One eyebrow is longer than the other. One eyebrow is longer than the other.
It's called Maybelline New York Fit Me. I'm gonna use these. I think I got it from Walmart.
Give me one.
Yeah.
I'm
So
gonna use Angel
foundation? No. This is experiment. You don't use the good stuff.
foundation brush and
Oh, I got this from Walmart.
I'm going to go.
What the heck? Look at this.
Here we go.
It's just for practice.
I don't know if this is my color.
It's not.
This is her color, but we
Not my
like
color.
this is your color. That's why you got
It
it.
doesn't look right on me.
So why would you let us put this on? Let's see.
It's just for practice, remember?
It'll blend. It don't matter. Yeah, it's just for practice.
What do you put it on your right here?
You put it on every area of your face that you would like.
Why you put it on the back of your hand like a professional?
Because it's easier than dumping it all out on the sponge. And now we blend.
You look like a clown.
That's about my foundation. Oh.
Hey, maybe it'll cover up its concealer. You put it on your nose.
No, you're gonna look like a Rudolph the brown nose. Oh, it don't look that bad. I got pimples, y'all.
I don't. Clear skin.
Because I am dealing with stress.
College?
Yes.
I'm not in college yet.
But how many days?
A couple. No, look like an idiot.
Why did you do it like that?
Because that's what you did.
I put tiny little dots.
Stop, they see.
And you go as needed.
Bro, it look, oh my gosh. I look so oily.
I don't know how y'all. Mine coming together.
Please.
Look at you. Look at mine. Y'all see the look at it. It's coming together low key.
Okay.
Like once it come together, your dad ain't gonna be
You
together.
put on your edges.
Yes. Why would you not put on your edges like you have on a face mask?
Oh, that's true.
You like a Halloween.
Shut up.
Oh, my eyebrow don't look as bad as it did. Good. Gangs what is this called? Foundation.
Okay, bummed it.
Does this look good, you guys?
No.
Do I need more?
Yes.
Are you just saying that so I can look good glossy?
Yes. Like, I'm so tired of this crap. I want to start over.
Then we used to. Oh,
What?
I just poked myself in the eye.
Look how I look. Oh, the front
Alright.
door.
So, she's now putting on mascara. I have this.
They don't know what we applied yet. Tell them.
We did. Yes, they do.
Y'all, this look good. Oh my gosh.
Ashley.
Okay, now I'm about to put the
We got this. I got this from what?
Dollar store.
Yeah.
People think my eyelashes is fake, y'all. This is what I be using. Just looks so good.
This is the finished product. Our first freaking time, y'all. Like,
Oh my gosh. Ew, dummy.
so tell us in the comments what you guys think. Just kidding.
You should have been like other things.
But for real though, like, look at this. Doesn't it look good? Look at our highlight. We highlighted.
My first time, I feel like a real makeup artist.
But yeah. So this is it. Like, subscribe.
My eyebrow.
Watch my other videos. Real talk video in the description. Watch my lock videos in the description. She has a YouTube channel. I'll put her link in the description. I'm gonna put the link in the description of the girl who we just learned the tutorial from. You guys should go look at it. No, I'm not putting that out here. It's crazy.
Look at this, my page of rabbit. Follow me on Instagram.
Like, subscribe, comment. Tell us what more you guys want us to do. I'm not gonna be home often, but since
You'll be
this
home.
hurricane business, we'll be on the lookout for my videos. You know, I haven't posted in a while, but it's good, fam.
Oh my god.